Another common vulnerability in embedded systems is hidden functionality that is supposed to be a secret. You should assume that any secret functionality will be revealed. Special key sequences to get into factory test modes, factory service modes activated by a hidden switch, Easter egg features that are functionality that's not supposed to be there. You have to assume that people will figure out how to activate these things and they will exploit them. Sometimes that will come because the secret gets out from someone who knows the secret, and they either brag to their friends or they get fired and reveal the secret as revenge and so on. And sometimes people figure it out just by fooling around. It's said that for some vending machines, if you hit a certain key sequence, it will put it into maintenance mode, which saves time comparing to unlocking the machine and flipping a switch on the inside. But that time saving comes at the risk that anyone who knows the key sequence can also get it into maintenance mode and perhaps cause some trouble. The kinds of functionality you need to avoid to maintain security include having a service technician master password, having the ability to reset the system without actual physical access to the inside of the system, assuming that a reset is a problem, and having default administrative accounts. While there's tremendous pressure and perceived efficiency in having one account for all maintenance technicians so that they don't have to figure out how to log into a system, somebody other than a maintenance technician will eventually get hold of that information and have the same access. A potentially better approach is to have a factory test or maintenance jumper on an internal board so that you have to unlock or unscrew an access panel on the machine to get in and physically move a jumper to put it in maintenance mode. Of course, that won't stop everyone, but what it does do is stop casual abusers from not even leaving a trail that they tried to access the system and being able to get the system to do what they want. Along with that, it's useful to have a factory test mode warning on any display because it's common for maintenance technicians in a hurry to forget to put the jumper back. So you want to make sure that before they leave, it's easy for them to know that they got the jumper back to the correct position and disabled the special features.